Mother of nation deserves attention. She needs your affection and your protection. This right here is a tribute to all African women. Yeah. She's a human, deserves some respect. She's not a drum, please don't hit her. Protect your woman, take care of ladies. They are our black queens, they are Mama Africa. Oh, wow. You feel sad when you see your sister with pregnancy. Why don't you feel the same when you leave your girl? They are all the same, beautiful creation. Don't play with someone's sister, they might do the same with yours.